Welcome to this course on Spring Microservices. I am Ranga Karanam. I have been developing web apps and web services with Spring since 2005. That's almost 12 years of experience with Spring. Spring has really evolved a lot during this period. Annotation, Spring MVC, REST, Spring Boot, and now Spring Cloud and Microservices. In this course, we take a deep dive into the world of RESTful web services and microservices. The crux of the course are the sections on RESTful web services and microservices with Spring Cloud. We would start with the basics of RESTful web services, HTTP request methods, how do you do exception handling, validation, and HETIOS. Before moving into the advanced concepts related to RESTful web services, how do you document RESTful web services? How do you version them? How do you implement filtering? How do you monitor your RESTful web services? And we would also talk about content negotiation and internationalization. The frameworks which we would be using in this part of the course are Spring, Spring Boot, JPA, Maven, and Postman. After that, we would move into the world of microservices with Spring Cloud. We will understand the challenges in building microservices, and we would look at the various solutions which are provided by Spring Cloud. We would start with building a limits microservice and using it to talk to a Spring Cloud config server. We would implement load balancing with Ribbon and Feign, and we would also implement a Eureka naming server. One of the main challenges with microservices is visibility into what's happening with the microservice, what's happening in the background. We would implement an API gateway with Zool and also distributed tracing with Zipkin to get more visibility into the microservices. We would make our microservices fault tolerant using Hystrix. In the appendix of the course, we have introduction sections to Spring Boot and JPA. All the details of the course, including the step-by-step details, are on our GitHub repository, github.com in 28 minutes Spring Microservices. In 28 minutes, we ask ourselves one question every day. How do we create more effective courses? The success we have on YouTube and Udemy with more than 100,000 students is a result of this pursuit of excellence. And this course is no exception. We expect you to have good experience with Java and Spring. We would help you to install all the tools needed: Eclipse, Maven, Embedded Tomcat, and Postman. What are we waiting for? Let's have some fun with Spring Microservices. We had a lot of fun creating this course, and we are confident you will have a lot of fun too. If you are excited and you would want to learn more, go ahead and enroll for the course. Or you can take a test drive with the free preview feature. I'll see you in the course.